Switching between a mono, stereo or some send within the install skin of ArmoníaPlus is quick and easy. The software allows the user simple manipulation of their system routing with just a click of a mouse. Within this video, we will explain how to adjust the routing assignments within a project while referencing an existing example named install1. To access the routing assignment within ArmoníaPlus, we need to select the Config Routing tab found across the bottom portion of the workspace. Within this tab, we will find the source format, mono, stereo, and multi-channel. By selecting mono and choosing our Zone 2 loudspeakers, we can choose if this group of loudspeakers are on. This will allow the source to send. We also have the option of whether it is off. This mutes the sends. Let's now select stereo within the source format tray below. Choosing stereo and clicking on our point source loudspeakers within Zone 1, we can change the loudspeakers from left, right, or some left and right send. You can notice that Zone 1 is configured as stereo send, with both left and right sends selected within this zone. Zone 2 and Zone 3 have been selected as some left and right send. We also have the option to turn these sends off, just like was shown with the mono source format. Choosing multi-channel within the source format tray will allow the user to choose between multiple channels for individual loudspeakers. This routing option can be used for surround sound systems and will support a Dolby Atmos system of 64 channels when used in conjunction with Dolby Atmos processors. ArmoníaPlus is here to help the user's installation move quickly and efficiently. Routing within ArmoníaPlus is simple and intuitive, allowing the user confidence, knowing their system is routed for success.